There are hundreds of AI tools claiming to save you hours every week. I tested the most popular ones for real work, writing, research, notes, design, and meetings. Only 5 actually delivered. Here they are, ranked by how much time they really saved me. Quick disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by any of these. I use the free version of every single one, so you can follow along without spending a rupee. Let's start with the one that surprised me the most. If you've ever spent 20 minutes with 15 browser tabs open trying to fact-check something, this replaces all of it. Perplexity answers your question and shows you exactly which sources it pulled from, so you're not just trusting a black box. I asked it, are AI tools that say free actually free in 2026, or do they just offer a limited trial? And got a sourced, honest answer in under a minute, with links I could check myself. For students and anyone doing research for work, this alone saves hours a week. Verdict saves the most time on research and fact-checking. This is the one most people already know, but most people use it wrong. Instead of asking it to write me an email, give it context, who you're writing to, the tone, and the goal. The free version handles this easily. I gave it this exact prompt. Write a friendly but professional follow-up email to a client named Sarah, following up on a project proposal I sent last week, under 100 words. It gave me something I only had to lightly edit, not rewrite from scratch. Verdict: best for writing first drafts fast. If your notes app is a graveyard of half-finished thoughts, this fixes it. I dropped in this messy brain dump. Need to email Sarah about proposal, record video today, buy mic stand, reply to Insta comments, write short video script, pick thumbnail idea, upload by Friday, check analytics tomorrow, and asked it to turn this into a clean, prioritized task list. Took about 10 seconds. Verdict: best for turning chaos into an actual plan. You don't need design skills or a paid subscription for this one. I uploaded a photo to remove.bg, a free AI tool, and it cut out the background in about 3 seconds. Then I dropped that image into Canva's free plan and added text over it, something that used to take me 20 minutes in Photoshop. Verdict: best for anyone who needs quick visuals without design experience or a subscription. This one's for anyone stuck in back-to-back calls. Otter AI joins your meeting, transcribes it, and gives you a summary with action items afterward. So you stop taking notes and start actually listening. The free plan covers a handful of meetings a month, which is enough to test it properly. Verdict: best for people who lose time to meetings. Out of all 5, Perplexity AI saved me the most time this week. But try the free versions yourself and see which one fits your workflow. I'm testing a new AI tool every week on this channel, so subscribe if you want the ones that are actually worth your time. I also just posted a short on ChatGPT. Links in the description if you want the 60-second version.